Finding a comfortable position, placing your hands in your lap or wherever is comfortable for you, and breathing deeply in and out. Feeling your body beginning to relax as you sit here now. As you breathe deeply all the way down to your stomach, feel your body let go with every exhale. In and out. Softening, relaxing, deepening. Bring all of your awareness into this moment right now. Feel your heavy body as it sits, the points where it presses into the floor or chair. Feel the air as it enters and exits your body. Feel your chest rise and fall. You have space, all the space you need as you bring your attention into this very moment. Feel your clothes softly resting on your shoulders and arms. The weight of the fabric on your thighs. Feel the air around your body as it gently touches your skin. Feeling the space around your physical body. As you sit here now, feel all that exists in this moment. You are present and peaceful. If you notice any thoughts, just let them be, with no attachment. You don't need to follow them. You don't need to chase them, to hear what they say. Just allow them to pass in front of you, like clouds moving past an infinite blue sky. Peacefully, calmly. Imagine traveling from your head all the way down into your heart, and breathe from that space. Allow the air to flow in and out of your heart space. Ask yourself, how are you feeling? How am I really feeling deep down in my heart? We are going to look at any feelings you have been pushing away or not allowing. So take a look deep down in your heart. What undesirable feelings exist there? How am I really feeling? Softly notice what comes up. And now dig a little deeper. What feelings lie under the ones you have just noticed? Ask yourself, how am I feeling underneath that? Dig a little deeper. How am I feeling underneath that? Keep going as far as you wish, uncovering the depths of your feeling and what is at the core of your surface emotions. Thank you for being brave and uncovering your feelings, shining a light on your heart. Now take that light of your attention from the depths of your heart and rise up to the space in between your eyebrows. all the way up to your eyebrows. Once you are there, gently turn your attention around 180 degrees. Take your time to turn your vision around so that you are now looking back at the space in between your eyebrows. Looking at your forehead, take a step back so you can see your whole body standing in front of you. Now you have the perspective of your higher self, looking at your beautiful human body. Your higher self is cut from the same cloth as Source. It is the pure energy of love. It is wise and connected always. It knows its greatness and its magnificence. It is one. Now, as your higher self, allow space for your human self to express its emotion, the feelings you uncovered previously. You watch her as she pours out to you how she really feels deep down inside herself. You watch the expressions on his face and the movement of his body as he shows you how he has been feeling. You stand witness to the depth of feeling, allowing space for them to express themselves, to pour their hearts out to you. The deepest feelings they have kept hidden, the fear, the grief, the shame, the lack or limitation, the depth of unworthiness they feel. With full attention and presence, allow them to express exactly how they have been feeling.